it's really important that Inspection Wales turns up to events like this for a number of reasons. One is it's a very tangible and visible symbol for the public that where we can work together, we will work together. But what I've also been impressed with is the conversations with people who may not normally be easy to reach by us, and we've been able to provide reassurance that we inspect the services they care about and we provide safeguarding and care improvement for the people that they love.
In a word, visibility. Visibility to the public, because too often our engagement is with institutional stakeholders, whereas the public are often uncertain of our roles, not sure who we are. So an event like this gives us a chance to talk direct.
I think one of the really important roles that we undertake is to provide the public with independent views on how well services are being delivered, but also to provide an opportunity for members of the public to tell us what their experience of different types of care has been. This is a really valuable opportunity to make sure that people know who we are, know what we do, and know where they can contact us if they want to let us know of the experiences that they've had.
Wel, mae gwrando i bobl Cymru ac i rieni yn bwysig iawn i ni. Llynedd ddaeth canodd y bobl i'r stondin yma, a dyn ni'n edrych ymlaen i gyfarfod â mwy o bobl eleni, a hefyd esbonio iddyn nhw sut fedrwn nhw ddod i gyswllt gyda Estyn, fel bod nhw yn gwybod sut i gysylltu gyda ni, a hefyd gwybod ble i gael adroddiadau ar y gwefan.